Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths online class. Children, open your textbooks, page number 131. Today's topic is problems involving perimeter and area, finding the cost. We have to find out the perimeter and area at that, and also find out the cost also. We have to find out the cost. Okay, now let's see the class. See Nana here, find the area of a square. Plot those side measures 15 meters. 15 meters. Also find the cost of leveling it at rupees 3.75 per square meter. ఇక్కడ 15 మీటర్స్ ఉందంట. మొత్తం లెవెల్ చేసి ఒక్కొక్క దానికి లెవెల్ చేసిన స్క్వేర్ మీటర్స్కి ఎంతంట కాస్ట్ 3.75 pies, 3 rupees 75 pies nana. Okay, now the side of the square plot is, what is the side here? 15 meters. Only they gave the side. If they gave the side means we have to find out the area of the square. ఓన్లీ సైడ్ ఇచ్చారంటే మనం ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? స్క్వేర్ ది ఏరియా కనుక్కోవాలి. లెంత్ బ్రెడ్త్ అని చెప్పేసి 2 ఇస్తే మనం ఎప్పుడు ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద రెక్టాంగిల్ ప్లాట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. సో హియర్ ఓన్లీ దే గేవ్ ద సైడ్. సో హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద స్క్వేర్ ప్లాట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద స్క్వేర్ ప్లాట్ ఫార్ములా? Side into side. What is the formula here? Side into side. So side means how much they gave here? 15. 15 into 15. 15 into 15 means what is the total here? 225 square meters. Total what is the area here? 225 square meters. 225 square meters is the total area of the square plot. Cost of leveling for 1 square meter. ఇక్కడ మొత్తం ఎంత ఉంది? 225 స్క్వేర్ మీటర్స్ ఉంది. ఒక్క స్క్వేర్ మీటర్ని లెవెల్ చేయడానికి మనకి ఎంత పడుతుందంట? 3 రూపీస్ 75 పైస్ పడుతుంది. టోటల్ దీని స్క్వేర్ ఎంత? 225 స్క్వేర్ మీటర్స్ని లెవెల్ చేయడానికి మనకి కాస్ట్ ఎంత పడుతుంది అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో హియర్ కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ లెవెలింగ్ ఫర్ 225 square meters equals to, we have to multiply this both. We have to multiply. What we have to multiply? 225 into 3 rupees 75 pies we have to multiply. Okay na? What we get here? The answer 843.75. 843 rupees 75 pies. Total what is the cost here? 843 rupees 75 pies. Like this we have to find out the sums. In problem solving, solve the problems. Solve the problems. The length and breadth of the football ground are 150 meters and 90 meters. Here what they gave? Length and breadth of the football ground. Football ground the length icharu, breadth icharu. So what is the length here? 150 meters. And what is the breadth here? 90 meters respectively. Find the cost of leveling it at 1 rupee 50 pies per square meter. ఒక స్క్వేర్ మీటర్ ని లెవెల్ చేయడానికి ఎంత పడుతుందంట? 1 రూపీ 50 పైస్ పడుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఇందాక నేను చెప్పిన సమ్లో ఏం చేసాము? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద స్క్వేర్ కనుక్కున్నాం. ఎందుకు స్క్వేర్ కనుక్కున్నాం ఇక్కడ అంటే ఓన్లీ దే గేవ్ ద సైడ్. దట్స్ వై వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద స్క్వేర్. వీ ఆల్రెడీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఇట్. దట్స్ వన్ ఈస్ ఫినిష్. Here they gave the square not. Here they gave the length breadth. If the length and breadth is there in the question means we have to find out the area of the rectangle. We have to find out area of the rectangle. That's why we have to find out here 150 into 90. 150 into 90. Why? Because what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is equals to L into B. What is the formula here? L into B. L means what here? 150. B means 90. We have to first of all find out the multiplication of these two numbers. Again we get one product to know. That product into this number we have to find out. Why to find out? This means we have to find out the cost, you know. That's why we have to find out 1 rupee 50 pies also. Okay. Okay, now see the solution. See here Nana, see the solution. First of all we have to write the length of the football ground and the breadth of the football ground. See here, the length of the what is that? Football ground is equals to 150 meters. What is the length here? Length of the football ground 150 meters. Now the breadth the breadth of the football ground. The length of the football ground is equals to how much? How much length nana here? 90 centimeters. 90 centimeters. Length of the football ground is equals to 150 meters. And the breadth of the football ground how much? 90 meters. First of all, we have to find out the area. Now see here. Area of the, this is a rectangle, no? So area of the football. Area of the football. What is the area of the football here? L into B. L means how much? 150. And B means 90. 150 into 90. Total area we have to find out now. 150 into 90. Now, see here the multiplication. 150 into 90. 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 into something is 0 only, no? That's why already I wrote here the 3 zeros. 9 zeros are 0. 9 zeros are 0. Next 9 5s are how much? 45. 9 5s are 45. Right here 5. Next 9 1s are 9 plus 4 how much? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right here the number 13. Total we have to add. Total we have to add 0, 0, 5, 3, 1. Total how much? 13,500. What is the area here? 13,500 square centimeters. 13,500 square centimeters. Now see here children. What is the area here? Football area. Football ground undi kada. Then mottam area anta 13,500. What is the cost of leveling here? Now see here. The cost of leveling equals to 1 rupee 50 pies. What is the cost here? 1 rupee 50 pies. We have to multiply these both numbers. So, what we have to find out? Total cost, no? The total cost equals to 13,500 into 1 rupee 50 pies. 1 rupee 50 pies. We have to multiply these two numbers again. Okay, Nana? Again, we have to multiply these two numbers. Now, see here the multiplication. 13,500 into 1 rupee 50 pies. I am removing the decimal point. Just I am doing the multiplication. 0. Here 0. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 3, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Again, keep into mark. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25. Right here the number 5. 5. Next 5 5s are 25. Finish now. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 15, 16, 17. So right here the number 7. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, now 5 plus 1 how much? 6. Again keep the 2 into marks. And again 1 zeros are 0. And 1 zeros are 0. 1 5s are 5. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. Total we have to add here. 0, 0, 0, 5. 7 plus 5 is equals to how much? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right here the number 2. And here I am writing 1. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Here 2. Total how much here? Yes. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So 20 lakhs, 25,000. 20 lakhs, 25,000. I am writing here 20 lakhs, 25,000. Again here, how many decimal numbers are there after the decimal point? How many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there now. We have to keep the decimal point again. Here we have to keep the decimal point. Only zeros are there. No need to write the zeros. Just write here 20, 25. This much only. We have to write 20,250 rupees. This much only we have to write. Why? Because after the decimal point only zeros are there. No need to again write that zeros. Just we have to remove that zeros and write the number here. What is the number here? 20,250 rupees. What is the total cost here? 20,250 rupees. children, see Nana here, the length of the football ground is equals to 150 centimeters. That's one, okay. Again, the breadth is equals to 90 centimeters. Area we have to find out now. The formula is L into B is the formula. L means 150, B means 90. Total we have to multiply these two numbers. Multiply these two numbers. What we get here, the answer is there, no? 13,500 is the answer. We have to find out the total cost. What is the 1 square centimeters cost here? The cost of leveling how much? 1 rupee 50 paise. Again we have to multiply these two numbers. We get the answer. Okay na? Here is the multiplication also. See. Again, is there any doubt? Okay. Now turn the page 132. Page number 132. Now see here children. Find the length and breadth from the area. If the length is not there means from the area we have to find out the length. If the breadth is not there means from the area. To find out the area already they gave. చూడండి అన్న ఇక్కడ లెంత్ లేదనుకో బ్రెడ్త్ ఏరియా ఉంటుంది. ఈ రెండింటిని బేస్ చేసుకొని లెంత్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. బ్రెడ్త్ లేకపోతే ఈ రెండింటిని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో యూస్ ద ఏరియా ఫార్ములా ఫర్ ఏ రెక్టాంగిల్ టు find the length of an unknown side of the known the area. ఏరియాని కనుక్కోవడానికి unknown side నుంచి knowing ది తీసుకుని రావాలి. We know that area equals to length and breadth. Length breadth కనుక్కోవడానికి already this is the formula. We know that. Again, so if we have to find out the length means what is the formula here? Area divided by breadth. Area divided by breadth, or L equals to A divided by B. L means length. L means length. B means what? Breadth only. Okay na. చూడండి length కనుక్కోవాలనుకో ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ మనము ఏరియా ఉంటుంది కదా, ఏరియా ఇస్తారు మనకు ఆల్రెడీ. లెంత్ కనుక్కోవడం కోసం అయితే ఏరియా డివైడెడ్ బై బ్రెడ్త్ ఉంటుంది కదా, బ్రెడ్త్. ఈ రెండింటిని మనం డివిజన్ చేయాలి, అప్పుడు మనకి లెంత్ వస్తుంది. యాజ్ యూజువల్ గా మనం ఎలా అయితే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తామో ఏరియాని, అది మనం ఎప్పుడు చేస్తాం, ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాము. కానీ ఇక్కడ లెంత్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం కోసం what is the formula here? Area divided by breadth. Area divided by breadth is a formula. Now see here, coming to the next one. If we have to find out the breadth means, what is the formula here? Area divided by length. See here, length కాస్త ఇక్కడ ఉండాల్సింది ఇటు వస్తుంది, బ్రెడ్త్ ఇక్కడ ఉండాల్సింది ఇటు వస్తుంది. ఎక్స్చేంజ్ అయ్యాయి అనమాట ప్లేసెస్. ఇక్కడ ఏరియా మాత్రం కాన్స్టాంట్ గానే ఉంది. సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద బ్రెడ్త్ మీన్స్ what is the formula? A divided by L. A divided by L. This is the formula. See the model 1. A rectangle is of area 140 square meters. Here see Nana, observe this one. They gave the area. Here what they gave? Area they gave. What is the area here? 140 square meters. Its breadth is 10 centimeters. What is its length? Here we have to find out the length. So here see Nana, what is the formula to find out the length? L equals to A divided by B. L is equals to A divided by B. So already area is there, and again the length also is there. Now see here, area of the rectangle is equals to 140 square centimeters. Here area of the rectangle equals to 140 square centimeters. What is the breadth here? They gave already 10 centimeters is the breadth, no? Yes, 10 centimeters. Now we have to find out the length. So write this formula. A divided by B is there, no? Write that formula. A divided by B. Now A means how much? 140. B means 10. B means 10. So in 10 table 140 how many times are there? 14 times are there. Simply we have to find out like this also. 14 minus here 0 cancel, only 14 is there, no? Like that also we have to do. ఇలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు మనం. జీరోస్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేసినాం అనుకో, ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 14 ఉంటుంది. ఆ 14 వేసేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. 14 centimeters. Now coming to the model 2. A rectangle of the area 65 square meters. Its length is 13 centimeters. What is its breadth? చూడాలని ఇక్కడ ఇందాక మనం ఏం కనుక్కోమన్నారు? లెంత్ కనుక్కోమన్నారు. ఇక్కడ ఏం కనుక్కుంటున్నాము? బ్రెడ్త్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఓకేనా? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద రెక్టాంగిల్ ఆల్రెడీ they gave. What is the value here? 65 square centimeters is the area. Now length is equals to 13 centimeters. We have to find out the breadth. So A divided by L is the formula. 65 divided by 13. 65 divided by 13 we have to do here the division. So what we get the quotient? 15 square centimeters. 15 centimeters is the breadth. See here, complete the following table. Here complete the following table. Here they gave the problem type questions, but here they gave the complete the table. Okay nana, ikkada questions laga icharu, ikkademo fill in the blanks laga oka table ni fill cheyalannattu icharu. Here is the length and here breadth, here area. Ekkadaithe empty place undo danni manam find out cheyalani ardham. Here area is there or not there? Length is there or not there? Length is not there. Only the breadth and square area is there. We have to find out the length. Here, what is there here? Length there, breadth is not there, area there. Here also same, length there, breadth is not there, area there. Here see nana, length and breadth is there, but here area is not there. Simply this one. We have to multiply this both two numbers. Okay. Now let's see here. Children, complete the following table. Complete the following table. Following table is there in your textbook. No. Once look at that one. Is that in that length is there or not there at first one? Here the first one is there. No. Length is not there. Breadth is there. How much breadth? Breadth is equals to 6 centimeters. And again area is there. Area is equals to how much? 54 square centimeters. Area is equals to 54 square centimeters. They gave already. What we have to find out here? Here we have to find out the length. Length we have to find out means what is the formula here? L is equals to A divided by B. L is equals to A divided by B. So L is equals to A means how much? 54 divided by 6. 54 divided by 6. In 6 table, 54 is there or not there, Nana? Yes, L is equals to 9. See here, 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Okay, Nana, see here 6 table. 6 table. In 6 table, 54 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 9 times is there, no? That's why here I wrote the 9. So, length is equals to how much? Length is equals to 9. Now, see children, once again I am telling the formulas here. A is equals to L into B. A is equals to L into B. L is equals to A divided by B. B is equals to A divided by L. These three are the main important formulas in the fourth topic. Finding the length and breadth from the area is there. No, in that topic, these three is very important. Second one, in that second one, they didn't give the breadth. Here, length they gave, no. Length is equals to how much? 8. Next, breadth means how much here they gave? Breadth is equals to not there, no. So, keep the question mark. And area. Area how much is there? 48. Area 48 is there. So, now what is the formula here? B is equals to A divided by L. B is equals to A divided by L. So, B is equals to A means 48 divided by 8. 48 divided by 8. In now what we have to do? Division, no? So, write here 8, 48. How many times in 8 table 48 is divisible? 6 times. 4, 6, 8, 8, 6 are 48. So, what is the quotient here? 6 is there, no? So, B is equals to 6. So, B is equals to 6. Now, again, I am telling the one more one. See here, Nana. Now, length to ela cheyalo cheppesanu. Length kavalannappudu, breadth kavalannappudu cheppa kada. And now, చూడండి లెంగ్త్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఉంటే ఏం చేస్తాము L into B డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం ఫార్ములా వేసేస్తాము సో హియర్ సి లెంగ్త్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 15 breadth is equals to 525 length is equals to 15 breadth is equals to 525 here we have to find out the area see children here we have to find out the area we have to find out means what is the formula here yes A is equals to L into B is the formula. A is equals to L into B. So, A is equals to L means how much? 15 into 525. 15 into 525. Now, see children, do this multiplication. At first of all, send to my WhatsApp number. Okay na? First is multiply chesesi naku pampichali. Okay na? Again I am telling the formula. See here. Telling here the formulas. మోస్ట్ మనం ఇక్కడ ఏమేమి ఈ చాప్టర్లో యూజ్ చేసామో ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ రాస్తున్నా చూడండి. పెరిమీటర్, at first of all we learned about the perimeter. No, see here, perimeter of a square. What is the formula here? Perimeter of the square, 4 into S. See here, P is equals to 4 into S. This is the perimeter of a square formula. And next of, see here, perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? P is equals to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. See here, Nana, perimeter of the square is equals to, what is the formula here? Perimeter of the square, P is equals to 4 into S is the formula, one formula. And perimeter of the rectangle is equals to, P is equals to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Next, area. Area of a square. Area of a square. What is the formula here? Area of the square? Yes. Side into side. Side into side. Area of the square is equals to side into side. Next, area of the rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Area of the rectangle formula is equals to what? A is equals to L into B. L into B. See here, Nana. Perimeter of the square is equals to 4 into S. Perimeter of the rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ ఎందుకు రాయలేదు అంటే ఆల్రెడీ బ్రాకెట్స్ ఉంటే మనం ఇంటూ పెట్టాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. దట్స్ వై ఐ రోట్ హియర్ ద brackets. Area of the square is equals to side into side. Next, area of the rectangle. A is equals to L into B. And one more thing, see here, Nana. If we had to find out the length, means what is the formula here? Area divided by breadth. Area divided by breadth. If we want breadth means what is the formula here? Area divided by length. Area divided by length. Up to here I told the 6 formulas. I told these 6 formulas are very important in this chapter. In this chapter, these 6 are very important. Okay children, must you should complete your classwork and homework. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your doubts. But must you should write your classwork, Nana. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you children.